Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you around how to use the new and more secure private messenger in called Signal app. Signal is gaining reputation now as WhatsApp main competitor. The app Signal app increase in download this week after WhatsApp announced users would have begin giving some data to its Facebook. First go to Play Store. Search Signal Messenger. And download it. Now once the app has been downloaded on your phone, tap on it. Open it. Tap on Continue. Click on Allow. It will ask for your mobile number to create an account. Type your phone number. You will get a verification code on your SMS. Now you will need this to verify your account. Then you just add your name. And add your profile photo. Set up Signal. It will ask you to create a PIN. Set your PIN again. In order to find Signal app settings, tap on your profile photo on the top left corner. You can change the app appearance from light mode to dark mode. Or back to light mode again. Now here how to look for contacts on Signal. You'll see a pen icon here. Tap on it. This will start a new message. You will see an option to search by phone number. You can also create a group chat. You can see a option New Group. Tap on New Group. Then choose your friends and add your group name. Now keep in mind they will have to accept the invitation to the group. They are not automatically added to the group. Let me show you how to set up disappearing messages on Signal. You can tap on individual chat or group chat, then tap on the user or group name. Then you can see an option disappearing messages. Tap on it, and you can set a time to it for 5 seconds to 1 week. Tap the plus symbol. You can see option for camera, GIF, file, contacts and location for share others. Now if you tap on the mic icon you can send audio messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.